level than it was in 2013 when we took office. We brought it down from 147% of the size of the economy, GDP. We brought it down to 115. They inherited it there, and they've taken it down now after 9 years to 68, 69%. So that's an achievement, and I wouldn't never say otherwise. But in terms of growing the economy and dealing with the other issues of inequity in the society and the lack of social cohesion, that is part of the problem why we have high crime rates and we have mass heavy migration, brain drain, all of those things. I think they've been a failure.
Yeah, because I know people, as them graduate high school, it's like, yo, man, look at visa, bro.
Yeah, And so we're training people, we're investing in people because, Jamaica public system, you don't pay fees to go to school and so on. But so where the state is not doing enough to make it attractive for people to stay. We have the second highest rate of brain drain in the world, meaning the second highest percentage of our population leave who having been trained here. So it's a big problem.
And some don't return. Like even me, like anytime people say, "Oh, bro, you have your papers, what you do,
Yeah, yeah, nice man.
Yeah, no, we make a look of money.
Yeah, exactly.
But imagine if I make money like you. My God, life for that nice.
I know I make no money nowadays. My money making days are over. Right now, I'm just I'm on a different thing.
No, that's what I'm gonna see. You make real money. Like you never have to make no more money.
Well,
like you're good. Well,
One
day with time you'll get there.
Yeah.
So now, like brain drain and all of that, cool? What the PMP plan for do for make the people them stay?
Well, first of all, for those critical professionals I was talking about, like teachers and other public servants, we're trying to make the rules around housing and how the NHT functions more attractive for them to give them inducements. We have some things that we're saying that we would, some of the things that I've already mentioned around reducing the student debt and increasing their motor vehicle allowances over time, encouraging them to stay. We have a number of things like that we're proposing to do. But the most important thing, is to train the people, train young people so that they can actually fill job opportunities at a higher level of income than what is now being done. So Jamaica needs to move up the value chain. Instead of, for example, our BPO industry, our global services, being focused on tasks that are very simple and that don't take a lot of intellectual effort and therefore are paid relatively modestly. We need to train our people so we can be doing the outsourcing that really adds more value to the companies that are outsourcing. What we talk about knowledge process outsourcing. So you have accounting services, legal services, data management and coding, all these things that, if we are able to move up the value chain, that those jobs are better paying and therefore people will be able to earn a better income and the economy will grow more rapidly.
Yeah.